is Arturo Treviño, and today we are going to make ribeye steak. It's going to be really good. I'm going to show you some tips of how to make it the perfect way, and also we are going to make chimichurri sauce, which is a traditional sauce from Argentina and Uruguay. I hope you like it, and remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe guys, share it with friends and family, and stay tuned for the next recipe, and let's start cooking. So first guys, we are going to make the chimichurri sauce. I'm going to put the recipe on the description. So we are going to start with some parsley, red pepper flakes, garlic, oregano, red wine vinegar, salt, black pepper, and olive oil. We are going to blend all these ingredients, and this is going to be the chimichurri sauce. Chimichurri sauce tastes better when you let it rest for at least 1 day. First tip, season your steak really well, both sides, a lot of salt, a lot of pepper. Second tip, let rest your steak at least 20 minutes outside of the fridge. 30% of the seasoning guys go away when you put it on the pan. And yes, this is a big steak. It's almost 24 ounces. And I don't remove the fat. And it's ready to cook. First tip guys, your pan needs to be really hot, and always throw your steak against you. This way. Remember guys, color is flavor. Just like fat is flavor, color is flavor. Aromatics, herbs, garlic. You need flavor on there. Butter. I'm going to sear the ribeye steak here guys, and then I'm going to finish it in the oven. I'm going to just give a nice color, nice sear. The steak is too thick, so I need to finish in the oven. It's moist. Pour over the butter and the flavors on the steak. And then flip. What a beautiful color, right? Never enough butter. Never. Carrots or side. Real simple to make. Tricolor carrots, honey, salt, black pepper, and we cook it in the oven. Finally guys, we are going to do the plating of this steak, and it's going to be real simple, but it's going to look amazing. We place the steak here. We put the 3 carrots on the side. And then we drizzle some of the chimichurri on top of the steak and around the plate. We got some of the rosemary from the pan, and we put it on top. And dinner is ready. I hope you like it.